Welcome to another episode of Too Hungry Diner. I hope you guys have a great day so far. So we are in a restaurant called
Four Seasons Claypot Rice.
So one of the food that you have to try if you travel to Hong Kong is the claypot rice. They are a restaurant that specializes in selling the claypot rice. So basically they cook the rice in a claypot, and then on top of the claypot you have like different toppings. For me, I ordered the chicken sausage, the Chinese sausage and the chicken, and for her
It's the frog and chicken claypot rice.
and so we are pretty hungry and hungry. But we are so excited to try this claypot. The last time I was here, I didn't try the claypot at all, so I didn't even know that claypot is probably one of the food that you have to try in Hong Kong. So let's check it out. So guys, here comes the claypot, and I think because we don't understand Cantonese or Mandarin, we have to wait maybe 10 minutes before we open it up and eat it. If we understand the direction correctly though. but the waiter is quite nice though. She opened up the lid and cut the Chinese sausage and put the soy sauce on top. So and then she put the lid back on, and maybe we need to wait a couple of minutes, maybe before it is ready, I think. But in the meantime, we're gonna try out the deep fried oysters, and apparently this is morning water glory water morning.
This is in Indonesia. This is the kangkung, but they call it
Kung chai.
kung choy.
So this is kangkung with fermented bean curd.
Yeah.
Okay, so shall we just try this one?
Please now, I'm hungry.
So it's a bit oily, guys. So just be mindful of that. But I can spot the oyster right away here. Okay, just bite without anything.
Tasty, I think.
Quite tasty. They have spring onion inside as well. And I don't know, after my first bite, it's probably not too oily.
It's useful when you have to wait for a few minutes to open the claypot rice. You can just have a nibble of the oyster.
Yeah, this is the kangkung with the fermented bean curd. I did have a smell of the fermented bean curd. It's quite weird, but I'm gonna dare or challenge myself. Whoa.
What? Salty? Weird?
It's really salty,
Stinky?
a bit
Okay.
stinky, a bit smelly,
Okay, I'll try it.
but I mean it tastes okay. It tastes alright actually.
It's okay.
So it's like white fermented
Oh.
bean, but it's quite salty though.
It's salted. Yes, it's salted.
Oh yes, salted bean curd. Okay. But anyway, guys, yeah, if you like to order some veggies to mix it with your claypot rice, definitely order this one. They don't really have many options though, to be honest, with the veggies.
Most of the food, this claypot rice here.
Yeah.
Limited option of vegetables and some of the side dish. So.
Let's try the claypot now. So guys, after waiting for a couple of minutes, maybe around 10 minutes or so, after they put in the soy sauce, so I think this is ready. So it's still really piping hot though, because the steam is just come out when you open the lid. Now I'm just gonna try to mix the top part a little bit, and I'm gonna grab the spoon. I'm gonna get the rice that has been soaked in the soy sauce. Maybe just the rice first, and a little bit of this chicken piece here. You can see the steam is still coming out. It's okay. I mean, if you get the white part of the rice, the one that has not touched the soy sauce, it's quite bland. But if you get the top part, the one that has been soaked in the soy sauce, it's quite tasty.
Try with the chili sauce. This is a very salty chili sauce, which is not too salt, not too spicy, but very salty.
So I'm gonna get the white part of the rice that hasn't been soaked in the soy sauce. Get a little bit of the sauce and a little bit of chicken as well. Really salty,
Yeah, it's very salty. I told you that.
but better with the sauce. Much better with the sauce.
What about the meat? Is it good?
Meat is tender. It's really tender.
And the sausage?
I haven't tried the sausage. I'm gonna try the sausage now. The chicken pieces is really tender, guys. But I mean, the rice is quite a lot. The chicken pieces it's a little.
I'm going
Sausage is good.
to try the frog and the chicken. They put a little bit of the shiitake mushroom as well on top. Okay. How am I supposed to eat it? Mix it?
Yeah.
Try the rice first. It's alright. Let me try the frog. It's tender. In terms of the taste, it's actually quite bland. Definitely you need more salt. Not salt, I mean
Soy sauce maybe
soy sauce, something salty.
to complement the rice.
Yeah.
Yeah. I kind of agree. Yeah.
The meat itself is tender, it's good. I'm gonna try. Where is the chicken?
That was nice.
Okay, I'm going to try the chicken. Chicken is tender and flavorsome. I think they definitely marinated the chicken with some kind of salt compared to the frog one.
So definitely, guys, mix it with a little bit more of soy sauce, and I think it's gonna be better with the oyster if we mix it with the oyster.
Yeah, great. What's your score? I'm okay. I think I'll give it 6. Not too special.
Not too special, but if you want something local though, this is probably one of the places that you should go if you travel to Hong Kong and eat like local. At the moment it's not too busy, but the place is quite big though. The service is quite okay. I mean the waiter is quite nice, as I mentioned before, so it's definitely a plus for me. So guys,
This is for today.
This is for
We
today.
finished our dinner. We are pretty full now. It's a good claypot rice, although
Yeah.
maybe it's not my favorite so far.
so guys, if you wanna eat like local, this is probably one of the things that we would highly recommend. Even though I don't know, like the taste itself is probably okay. It's not like super amazing. Now, what interesting is, right across this restaurant, there is another restaurant that sells also claypot rice, which is called Hinky Claypot Rice, I think. Hinky Restaurant, and the auntie is trying to poach the customer.
Yes.
It's like they are in a war to poach the customer. But well, I think this is more popular and more recommended, so that's why we go here. But that's it for today, guys. We are pretty tired and we're just gonna go to the hotel, get some rest, and we're gonna create more record video tomorrow.
And yeah, keep following our journey and maybe see you guys in the next video.
Hit the subscribe button, guys, for more travel and food video from us. And if you dare enough, click that subscribe button as well. Oh no, click that notifications button as well. So whenever we post a new video, you always will get a notifications of our latest video. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much, and as always, stay foolish, stay hungry.